Step 4. Measuring success and adjusting your strategy. Now we've talked about setting goals, understanding your audience, and staying consistent. But how do you know if your strategy is actually working? That's where analytics come in. Vanity metrics like likes and follower count are just one part of the picture. The real metrics you should be tracking depend on your goals. If your goal is brand awareness, look at reach and impressions. How many people are seeing your posts? Are you expanding your audience? If your goal is engagement, track comments, shares, and saves. Are people interacting with your content beyond just liking it? If your goal is sales, track conversions. Are people actually buying your product or signing up for your services through your social media efforts? Once you've identified your key metrics, it's crucial to review your performance regularly. This could be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on the nature of your business. The idea is to look at what's working and what isn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. For example, if you notice that your video posts are getting more engagement than your image posts, then double down on video. If a particular type of content isn't working, pivot and try something new. Social media isn't static. It's a constantly evolving landscape, and your strategy should be flexible enough to evolve with it. So to sum it up, building a social media strategy is about much more than just posting content. It's about aligning your social media efforts with your business goals, understanding your audience, staying consistent with a content calendar, and measuring your success so you can keep improving. In the next part of this chapter, we'll talk about how to create content that truly engages your audience and drives results. See you there!